Let's do a nighttime test on the neon indicator lights and various night lights I have installed in the house. We're just going to pretend like we're getting up in the middle of the night. I'm walking out of the bedroom now. Let's go in here in this bedroom. There's that first GE safety indicator light, guide light from 1978. Walking now into the hallway. There's the first illuminated neon toggle switch that's here in the hallway. I can see my way there. We'll first go through here in the front living room, and with this second 1978 neon guide light right here, I can see, just barely see my way through this room. Now I can get over here to the dining room opening, and I can see this illuminated switch here, so I know I'm getting close to the opening instead of smacking my face onto the side of the door here, the opening. So that's much better. So now I can go back through this way. I don't know if anything's going to show up on the video, but doing a real world test here. So we're going back in the hall. Let's go this way. Okay, as I round the corner, here's another illuminated switch here in the hallway, which is to the left of the hall bathroom door. And there's enough of a light showing through this window. It's not really that bad in the bathroom, but I do have an illuminated switch here for easy access. Now, let's make our way into the back den. This is where I have installed the infrared motion sensor night light in the corner of this room. Bam! Right when I clear this counter here, the light comes on. And I can clearly see the recliner here, the lazy boy. So I can maneuver here to get to the kitchen. But there's also a street light that shines a little light in here where you can at least see the counter. Apologize for the dryers running, but that's just how it goes. And then to come out here is the next illuminated switch. And then I'll come out here and go to the last illuminated switch. Right there. If I needed to come out here and turn the light on back in here, got no problem doing that. Once again, this has been my safety enhancements throughout the house. Thank you for watching.